grade 3 students, this is Mr. Abdurrahman, and today you have a new lesson. Today we have Unit 3, Lesson 3, Vocab. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to learn new words that you need to remember. Okay, so let's start. Can you see this? Look at the picture. It says class timetable. Class timetable. What is the class timetable? Yes, it has the days of the week and what do you have, the subjects that you have at school. So, for example, on Monday at 9:30, you've got maths. On Wednesday at 1:30, you have music. So, this is called the class timetable. Or, there is another word. The other word is schedule. 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 Okay, so now we have two ways to say this word. We can say it like this, schedule. We can also say it in another way. We can say schedule. 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 So we have two ways to say this word. First, we can say schedule, it's correct, and the other way is schedule. Schedule. So both ways are correct. So this is our first word. Next. Okay, so as we see, this is an example of the schedule or the schedule. This is Ella's daily schedule. These are the things that Ella does every day. So she has a schedule for the things that she does every day. Okay. Another word here that we have is stuff. 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 Okay. The word stuff is spelled S-T-U-F-F. S-T-U-F-F. Now you need to be careful because if you change this letter U and you put A, it will change the meaning. Okay, so stuff, this word, it means things. It means things. So if I say I will take my stuff and go home, this means I will just take my things, my phone, my markers, my copybooks, my books, my things, all my things. So this means stuff. This means stuff. Excellent. Now, next word, look at this. Do crafts. Do crafts. Do crafts. Okay, can you see what this boy is doing? Yes, he's making something using paper, using simple things. This is do crafts. Do crafts like making paper birds. You know paper birds? Yes. Okay, so this is do crafts. Okay, did you notice something? Look here, we use the verb do. We use the verb do. I cannot say make crafts. We only say do crafts. Okay? So this is the only verb that I can use with the word crafts. I say, Mr. Abdurrahman does crafts after school. Okay? Or the students in my school do crafts after the lesson. Okay. So this is do crafts. Good job. Now, look at these boys. Do you think they are young? Do you think they are in grade 4 or grade 3 or grade 5? No, they are older than this. Okay, so they are in secondary school. They are in secondary school. They are in secondary school. Okay, the secondary school is grades 10, 11, and 12. So, if you know someone that is in grade 10 or 11 or 12, it means this person is in secondary school. Secondary school. Okay? Okay, good job. Now, Look at this. Can you see the plant? What does it do? It grows. Grow. You know this word from grade 2. Grow. Grow. Okay. Grow means become bigger. Grow means become bigger. Okay. Excellent. Now, jewelry. 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 Okay, you can guess that the word jewelry means things that usually ladies or girls wear. Like what? Like rings, like a necklace, right? Like a bracelet. Okay, earrings. All of these are called jewelry. Jewelry. Okay, good job. Now, boarding school. Boarding school. What is a boarding school? Okay, there are some kinds of school that you go to and you stay there all the time. You don't go home, you only go home for holidays. So if you go to a boarding school, so you go to that school, you stay there after your class finishes, after you finish all your class and all your lessons, okay, and then you stay at school, you sleep at school, you have breakfast at school, and you do everything at school, and by the end of the term or by the end of the semester, then you can go home. So this is called a boarding school. Boarding school. Boarding school. Excellent. Okay, now let's move to our book, and now we are going to listen carefully because we have some questions to answer about this. So let's start. 1, 2, 3.
1. Listen and read about a secondary boarding school. When do students have dinner?
I want to tell you about a secondary boarding school in Argentina. It is very different from my school. Students study maths, science and Spanish, but they also do some very cool stuff. They learn how to grow vegetables and how to take care of animals like sheep. In the afternoon, they always have after-school activities. They learn how to make jewellery and do arts and crafts. In the evening, they have dinner and they often study and do homework. But they go to sleep at 11 o'clock. I usually go to sleep at 9:30, but sometimes I talk with my sister until 10:30. Schedule. 7 o'clock. Students wake up, make their beds and shower. 7:30. Students eat breakfast. 8 o'clock. School starts. Students study subjects like maths, science and Spanish. 12:30. Students eat lunch and rest. 1:30. Afternoon classes. Students learn how to grow vegetables and take care of animals. 4:20. Break. 5:20. School day ends. After school activities, jewellery making and arts and crafts. 8 o'clock. Students eat dinner. 9 o'clock. Students study or do homework. 11 o'clock. Students go to sleep.
Okay, so as we have heard together, this is talking about a school, a secondary boarding school in Argentina, and we heard the things that they do during the day. So do you remember the schedule or the schedule that we talked about? Yes, excellent. This is an example of the schedule of this school. It tells you the time and what are the things that they do at that time. Like, for examples, at 7 o'clock, students wake up, make their beds and shower. Okay? At 12:30, students eat lunch and rest. At 5:20, school day ends, after school activities, jewelry making and arts and crafts. Okay, there is another note that you need to know. Do you remember the word jewelry? Okay, with crafts we said do crafts, right? Yes, so do crafts. But if we're talking about jewelry, we don't say do jewelry, we say make jewelry. Okay, so do crafts and make jewelry. Do crafts and make jewelry. Excellent, good job. Now, okay, this was the end of our vocab lesson for today. Thank you so much for watching.